Okay. What is your name and where do you stay?
I'm Ami Modi and I stay at Gandhi Market.
Okay. What is your child's name and age?
My child's name is Divyan Modi and he's 5.5 years.
Okay. What were you looking for him?
Basically, I was looking at for something which is really different, which is very creative. I didn't want to join. I didn't basically want him to join some rat race with some basic class, which is English, math, general knowledge, and things like that. I wanted him to do something new related to facts, no friction, at the same time, which is useful in day-to-day life.
Okay. Did you consider any options before joining Fun Science?
I was thinking about, I wanted him to join something like this, but probably was looking out for something but didn't find something.
Okay. So what was your child's experience here?
My child's experience was beyond words because here I have found a young little explorer in himself. I really didn't know that he had a great fetish for science after he joined the club. He got to know so many things related to life, related to nature, science, basically facts, which sometimes the mother is not able to answer. But here Shunali herself, who has a science background, and she's a doctor herself, so it's very it's very easy, it's very natural when it comes out from her side. And my child had a wonderful experience because here not only the experiences, the experiments were done in a fun way, but at the same time the kids were also given acts to basically perform experiments by themselves. So he himself feels very creative, very confident, and basically it's a hand-on experience, which nobody else does.
Okay. Do you like to suggest two things for the business?
I think the only thing that I would suggest Shunali here is it should spread to as many number of children because the advantage should be taken by all. It should really have a great coverage even in schools, I would say, because at times it goes too monotonous as far as the schools go, but here the way she does it, it's very nice, and I think more and more schools and children should take advantage out of this.
Okay. Finally, on the scale of 1 to 5, for other parents, how would you rate this?
And I rated 10 out of 5 because it's really wonderful. The best part about this class is after the class is over, she herself tells us what is being done in the class, how she went about with the entire concept. We mothers ourselves are really looking forward to know how she kind of goes about with the concept, the topic, and above all, how the child has done after the class, how much has he understood. So that's a fantastic, I would say, approach to the class with the mothers. We know basically what the child does. So it's absolutely more than value for money. It's like really very good. In fact, I would suggest her to start a class for mothers as well. And most importantly, she has a reinforcement. She has quite a few experiments which she's suggested in her sheets, which we can do it at home. So it's again a reinforcement of the entire topic, and it's memorized. It's retained in their memory.
Okay. Thank you.